How to create CnFans account. So if you want to create CnFans account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your search. Under search, you need to search for CnFans. Make sure that you've searched it on your browser. Now you need to go with cnfans.com, or here you will have the login option. Just click on login. Once you go with login, now here you need to scroll down a bit, and here you will have need account, sign up. So you need to click on sign up, and it will take you to the register page or create your account page. Under create your account page, now you need to enter the email address on the first blank, and you need to create a password on the next blank. So create a password, a strong password. After creating, now you need to click on register, and here it says that please activate your CnFans account with the link sent to your email inbox. So you need to go with confirm, but before that you need to go with your Gmail, and here you will have please activate your account. You'll have the mail. You just need to simply click on the first mail that you've received, and you need to click where it says click here, and your account has been activated. So that's how you can create your CnFans account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.